Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will do today quick unboxing of this under-sink filtration system, which has 7 stages. It's by SimPure, and I will install it. I will not go through all this process of installing because it might take a little bit complicated for me to record it all this. But I can tell you, I will try to record as much as I can, and also will tell you how easy to install. My process will be a little bit different because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna not only install the system, but I will also replace some connector on my sink and also to fix some other stuff. And I have a Moen system. So the Moen, they have lifetime warranty. So if you have leaking or anything, any problem with your faucet, they send you replacement parts. So they send me a lot of replacement parts to get everything replaced. So I'm gonna basically replace all the faucet and all the stuff. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna install this filtration. So basically I'll do combination. It will be a little bit more work for me, but at the end, everything will be as brand new now. So, and I do have also meter to test the water. I will do few tests after I install it to show you if there actually any difference. If it's worth to install, because maybe your water is good at home anyways, so we'll see. I'll test the tap water, I'll test bottled water, fridge water from the refrigeration. I have also filtration, and also from this type of filter water, because that's what I use mostly. But this one should be more economical, so it will be, I understand this one will be cheaper because it lasts for like 6 months or longer, the filters, and you can get much more water out of it, and it should be better. So let me put it on the side, and they say everything is included. Just in case, I'll have a adjustable wrench, and there's something inside here. Let's see. Okay, there's a power supply, because it have to be connected to the power. So make sure on the sink you have a power outlet to connect it. It does have some wire, and because it does have to be connected. And they have some adapter, so you turn it on under the sink. There's a switch on and off, I guess. So good. Also, this one is, let's see. Okay, this one actually you install on the top of the sink, because like water dispenser gonna be, and looks nice. Actually, it will fit my, so you have a on and off. So you don't need a bottle. Anytime you need filtration water, it will be available right away. And they have all these parts you need to install it. So it should be pretty simple as long you have a hole. I do have it. I'm gonna remove actually soap dispenser to install this, because this one is more important and probably gonna be better. And let me pull out the machine itself. So it should be compact under the sink. Again, check the space what you have, because it can be on top most likely, but it's designed to be under. And let's see what else. All right, so looks like different tubes. The one you're gonna connect with, all of them marked, so you can follow the instruction how to do that. It shouldn't be hard. And then they give you zip tie, some plumbing tape, and some other washer and like some stuff. So basically they give you everything what you need to install it. Okay, so I'm gonna get started fixing, replacing parts, and I will try to install it, and I'll show you at the end to see how I install it and if there are any tips I have for you, and then we'll test the water. Okay, so the first step I did, I installed this part. Okay, so you would remove this connector and install this part between, and this one would be open and closed actually. Right now it's closed, but I'm gonna have this filter located right on this corner. Then I have outlet right over there. And the next step, I'm gonna install this part right over here. So you would probably use this rubber on this side, put it on top like this, insert it, and then you would tighten up from another side. If you don't have the hole, they do include special stuff to make the hole. You have to drill one. And this is a filter. This is a filter, actually two filters, easy to replace. You just open up and pull it out, put new one. So these two filters, they will filter the water. Waste right here. Then I would connect these two pieces. You need to pull them out simply. So I would connect the internal water and out water, which I'm gonna do right now, and put this cover back. Now, since I insert them, so you would need to put in this piece, like clip. Actually, it's locking. You just insert right over here underneath. So it would be like this. So you would just lift it a little bit with one hand and insert it. So it will just lock it in like this. Okay? And you do the same thing with a small one on water waste. And now I will connect to the power outlet. So I made mistake. I'm not a plumber, so I install actually to the wrong side before, so I change it. So I install it to the right. This is the cold one. For some reason I thought this one is cold. So right side was cold. So I reinstall it on another side. So it's pretty simple installation. And then I install this faucet. Actually it's movable, which is good. And this part also movable. So you can basically put away if you need it. So it's very simple installation of faucet. And then you connect the blue wire tube to the faucet. All the instruction there, then you would connect right over here. Just plug in and insert these blue pieces in, and plug in the wire, the cable for power. And then you let it run. When you turn it on, this water, you let it run for at least 20 minutes. So you'll see a lot of like white water coming out. And what I want to do now to test it. So when you start to use this water, basically you will do filtration. It will go through the filtration system inside two filters, which will filter it, and dirty water would come out. So it's a wastewater, call it. We're gonna do testing, and the reason I put it here because I was skeptical. I didn't know if it will work. Otherwise, I will need still to drill the hole over here and insert this wastewater, so it will automatically go inside. But I didn't know if I want to keep it or not, so I decided to test it out because I was not sure if it will actually work, and that's one of the reasons I'm gonna do the test, and you're gonna see the difference. Actually, I was a little bit shocked to see the difference, but I want you to see as well. So I'm gonna do the test in front of you. So I'm gonna show you first how clean the water is. First, I'm gonna do the test of the tap water, so you'll see, and then we'll run also the test for water which is filtered bottled water as well, and also filtered at home. So I just push to start, and now I'm testing for EC. EC, you can do Google and see what is this EC. So it's 400. It shows 456. Okay, and I'm gonna wait until it's zero. Now it's all zero. You can see it all zero. Well, I need to wash because it's tap water. It's already clean. Now I'm gonna run the water. So all the dirty water coming out from there, which will go automatically once you install correctly. And now I'm gonna insert here so you can see it. How much is it? It's 31. Okay, 10 times less. Just remember the numbers because we're going to do the same test on filtered water. Now we're going to run the test, which is it's called TDS. Okay, TDS test. Same way, I'm going to put tap water and we'll insert it, and it will show as 227. It's still safe to drink. Anything under 300, it's safe to drink. It's good. It's not bad, as bad. But let me show you the difference. Okay, that's a difference. Let's see. 19. Actually, it was even less before. 17. But again, it's 10 times less. We're going to do also the same test on the filtered water so you can see how much difference. If you want to see the difference, how dirty this water is, let me turn it on so you can see for yourself how much it removes. Okay, and let's test it out. So it's a 292 from the wastewater, I guess. It's still drinkable, still okay, but we're gonna wash it a little bit just in case. Okay, but I'll try one more time so you can see that it's not mistake. So now it's all 0, and I put it one more time and you can see it's 11. So if you run, I'll let it run a little bit, you'll even go down. I can do one more time for you so you know it's not just mistake of the meters. One more time. 228. Okay, so it is not mistake. Now I'm gonna move right here because we're gonna test it more. I like to test, so we're gonna test. Let's do filtered water first. Okay, the one you buy, actually we buy it, I forgot the brand name, but I don't want to put anything negative on brand since it's also, it's gonna show just numbers, and you can press over here and hold it so it will memorize it. Hold it, and now it's holding, so you can see 214. So it's about the same as tap water, I guess. And then you can release this, restart it. Wait, yeah, it's all 0, and retest it. And I'm showing it's 200 of it dropping. So I need to press the hold, or you need to look closer. Let me get closer so you can see it better. So let me show you in front of you now so you can see this is a filtered water, which is 214. Okay, almost as a tap water. So now, so this is a filtered water. Now I'm gonna put over here arrowhead water. Okay, and I'm open up, it's not fake. Okay, and let's test it out, see how much is that. 209. And let's see how much we're gonna shift to see what is AC count. 419, which is still good. Anything under 1000 is still good. Let's see this one. I didn't test this one yet. It's 390, so very close. And one more time do retesting of the TDS retesting to show you that it's not a mistake. 195. One more time, filtered water, 215. Now, one more time, I'll show you right now without any editing over here. I'll put this one clean. Okay. And it's 10. So it does actually clean, remove all these minerals, all whatever like in the water, and make it completely clean almost. And I'm gonna test it as well so you can see it's drinkable. So I have two glasses over here. This one is under the sink. The filter is the one I just installed. It feels like a water. Just kidding. Let me. This one is a bottle. It just tastes like more plain. This you feel like it's plain, completely plain. And I'm gonna test out the filtered water as well to see the taste difference as well. It's very hard to say is there any taste difference much, but the numbers are not lying. As you can see, it does remove all like, and I also can test in the fridge. Let me test in the fridge as well. I'm gonna test it out and see. And I'm gonna test the TDS, okay, in the fridge, and it's 173. Wow, actually it's better than filtered because the filter in the fridge actually more expensive. I think it's better filter than this one. This one is very basic basically, so it will not remove many different toxin and stuff. So, and let's see how much ES or EC. EC it's 312. So it's still less, but not as low as in filter. So this SimPure Q3-600 works pretty good for that. I'm not sure if you need it because again, you might want to research and see it remove basically all the minerals, all the deposit, make it pure, clean, pure water, which good to drink. But again, you might want to test it out. I probably gonna install it and use this because it's was pretty simple installation. And again, it's clean, so it does not have any deposit, and it depends where you live. So you might want to buy one of this meter and check your water, and it's about probably removing at least 10 times more, so less. So if you have 200, so it will be about only like 10 or even less. If you have like 300, so you may get about 15 or 30, but still healthy though, like healthy, it's anything under 300. That's what it says over here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.